Do you struggle with self-care, low self-esteem, not enough money, just feeling stuck in life? Are you looking to finally start feeling happy, fulfilled, finally waking up every morning knowing that you are living your purpose, finally being able to boss up, love yourself, and live you on your terms? If we're just meeting, I'm Rosalind, co-founder of Black Girl Rise Up. In this video, you will grasp 3 concepts. 1, how your life will explode in a positive way with the help of this channel. 2, how you can use our step-by-step growth strategies to start your self-care, self-love journey starting today. And 3, how you can start today surrounding yourself with a tribe of like-minded Black women who are also on this journey. So who am I again, you may ask? I'm Rosalind. I'm a business owner for over 24 years. I'm a mother of 6, a grandmother. I'm also a teacher, an author. I'm an inspirational coach. I am also a public speaker and the creator of numerous online training courses. I've helped women start their own businesses, learn to travel, parenting hacks, and just to rise above the negative people and find their true calling and bring out the beautiful, amazing, unique Black women that they are. Finally, I decided to bring my 30 years experience on an amazing, lifelong journey of being me to my YouTube channel. Stay with me until the end of this video, and I do have a special free gift for you. Black Girl Rise Up channel is a place where my team and I help Black women from all over the world to begin to live their purpose, make their own paper, skyrocket their self-esteem and self-image. We take this journey together. My team and I reveal growth strategies used by myself and other Black women from all over the world to begin to achieve a truly happy and fulfilling life. Our mission is to 1, help, 2, inspire, and 3, connect with a worldwide tribe of Black women living their purpose on purpose, beautifully with true happiness and inner peace. Black Girl Rise Up channel will be covering topics like self-care, how to set yourself as the authority of you and believe in yourself, how to love who you are, accept who you are, instead of who you are told that you are. You'll get advanced strategies for becoming a business owner. Wait, hold up. Say that with me because it sounds nice, right? I am a business owner. Well, don't worry. We are going to get through this together, and we're going to take this journey together. You, me, and a tribe of Black women will take this journey together. I'll also take you with me as I continue my journey down this path. Now, I do have to warn you that I've been on this journey for a very long time. And I've learned to enjoy every second. And hence, I have learned not to make things difficult or over serious. I don't preach at anyone. We're all on this journey together, right? So what I need for you to do right now is make sure that you hit the like button down below so that it becomes easier for other women to find this channel. Hit the subscribe button to make sure that you don't miss out on a single post or a single video. Also, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time that we're here. Also, please share, share, share. We want as many people as possible to go on this journey with us. This is going to be so much fun. Weekly video uploads, podcasts with guest appearances, step-by-step trainings on giving yourself a self-concept makeover, really knowing the true you, tips, affirmations, and of course, our exclusive Funky Friday weekly show. So what are you saying, Rosalind? Girl, we are about to explode on this journey together. And what we're going to be doing is making sure that we're having a beautiful, meaningful life where we live our purpose, love ourselves, and make our own paper, no matter what outside forces or people are trying to bring us down. Remember, it's your time. It's all about you. You are finally putting you first. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video. You can also grab your free journal. I'll put the link down below. Also, leave me a comment below. Let me know, where are you on this journey? Or if you're just starting this journey. Also tell me what questions you have and what I might be able to tackle in future videos. Congratulations and welcome. Remember, you are more than enough. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.